This video is a tutorial on how to add text to an image using the app Phonto. The first thing you want to do is install Phonto on your device. You can get it from the App Store for Apple and the Google Play Store if you are using an Android device. It's free for anybody who wants to use it. Next, you're going to choose the image you want to add text to. You can use an existing image on your device or download a new one. For this tutorial, I googled cute Star Wars kids and picked this picture to add text to. Next, you're going to open up Phonto after it has been downloaded. Click the camera icon and it will give you three options. Take a new photo, open an image from your photo albums, or use a plain background. Give it the permission, and then click on the photo album and the photo that you want to use. Also note that there are various filters included that you can apply to your photo. The next step is going to be adding text to your image. Click the Add Text button to open the text tool. I'm going to enter the text, a Star Wars joke. The Force is strong with these ones. This font is okay, but with Phonto, you have a world of possibilities. Let's find something better to use. If you don't have a font already installed on your device that you want to use, you can get one online. Go to your search engine and type in free blank fonts, whatever font you're looking for. There is a lot out there for your use. I'm going to stick with the Star Wars theme. Go to the website that has the font that you want. Defont.com is a personal favorite. Click Download. After your font is downloaded, click Open in Phonto. Phonto will open a new dialog box where you can choose which fonts you want to install. The app will indicate that your font has been installed. Next, you can move the text in your image by clicking and dragging it to your desired location. Then click Font to open up the Font Choice dialog. This is where you can choose from a number of pre-installed fonts. Or if you click My Fonts at the bottom, you can choose from fonts that you have installed yourself. This is where the Star Wars font I installed is going to be. Click the font you want to use, and the app will apply your choice to the text that you entered. Click the Size button in the same dialog, and you can make your text as big or as little as you want. Click the Text button, and you can change the justification of your text. I picked center for this one. The next thing you want to do is click the Style button. Here you can change the color of your text, add shadows or outlines. For my text, I chose a yellow that reminded me of the Star Wars logo. Then click Stroke to add an outline to help your text stand out from the background. You can change the width to be as wide as you want. This looks pretty good, but I would like to make the space between the lines smaller. Click your text, click Style, and then click Style at the top. This is where you can add shadows and underline, but we are going to click Spacing. You can adjust the space between letters and lines, and we are going to tighten up the space between our two lines. Here it is, your final image. As you can see, you can use this app to make some really interesting looking memes, or add some fun to your Instagram posts. There's only one step left. Let's save our image. Click the Share button, and then click Save Image. It'll be saved to your folder on your device. That easy. I hope that you found this tutorial to be a helpful introduction to the app Phonto. Changing your font and color are going to be your most common uses for this app, but there are a lot of cool features that I didn't cover. You can change the tilt of your text. You can add drop shadow for a dramatic way to make your text stand out. You can add gradients to the color of your text, which is really a cool feature. And you can add text curve. With this app, the possibilities are endless for your creativity. I have yet to find a more user-friendly, intuitive app for text editing. I hope you have fun digging into this app and all of its functionality and features. Good luck with all of your creations, and thanks again for watching my video.